Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful blush pinkish look. Well, beautiful according to me, which is a nice soft party look. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so I have already washed and moisturized my face, but I'm going in with my serum once again. I'm using my Face Shop brightening serum, a white seed brightening serum, and massaging it all over my face. Then I'm using my Face Shop hand cream and putting it on my hands to keep them moist and hydrated. And I'm using my Maybelline baby lips to moisturize my lips. And after this, in a moment, I'll be using my MAC Studio cream to moisturize my face yet again. So of course the moisturizing part is really important to keep your face and your hands and your lips all hydrated. So I'm using my POREfessional pore primer and putting it on my face, specifically on my T-zone where I have those pore problems, and just dabbing the product in. And for the rest of the face, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix and just giving it a moment and letting it soak in. And now I'm using a foundation which has very quickly become one of my favorites, that is my PAC HD Liquid Foundation, and putting it across my face with the help of my fingers, and voila. I have actually edited the part where I've spent hours blending it, honestly. So yes, now I'm taking my PAC Take Cover Concealer and concealing my usual areas, which is under my under eyes, my eyelids, my nose, my cupid's bow, side of my mouth, and my forehead. And now I'm taking my PAC Take Cover Contour Stick and contouring the sides of my nose, hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, my forehead, all my usual areas. There's nothing new there.
And wait for it, and voila.
So honestly, I have kind of edited the boring part, that is the blending part of it, but it's really important. And then I'm taking my LA Girl concealer just to brighten my under eyes and going over with my stippling brush just to make sure everything is well blended. And now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution powder and making my face. I have left my under eyes with the powder so that they bake properly and they are bulletproof. And now I am taking my most favorite product, that is Benefit Goof Proof Pencil, and just doing my brows very naturally, nothing inspired by Insta eyebrows, but very natural, and taking a fluffy brush and just dusting off the excess powder from my eye. And now I'm taking my Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette and taking that contouring powder and placing it on the parts where I've already contoured. So now this helps in the your contouring creams to just kind of set in and do not budge like throughout the day. And basically you just need to go over your usual contouring areas wherever you've placed your cream product, and very with a light hand go over that. And now I'm taking my NYX setting spray and taking a quick little shower and ensuring all the powders melt away. Now I'm taking my PAC Beauty sponge and very gently picking up all the excess product, making sure I have a natural looking face. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Neutral versus Neutral palette and using that beautiful shade Neutral over my lid. It'll act as a base shadow and it'll also set my concealer. Now I am taking that beautiful shade Tone and putting it over my crease and ensuring that there is an enhanced V kind of a shape at the outer end of my eye, and then blending it all out with a clean blending brush in the windshield wiper motion. Now I am taking that beautiful brown shade named Custom and placing it on the outer end, lower end of my V, and just dragging the product in. And with a clean blending brush, well, this one is not so clean, but yeah, ideally it should be clean, just dragging the product in. Taking the same shade Custom and dragging it across my lower line with the help of the brush that came with the palette. So now I'm taking the shade Style on my fingertips and placing it on the upper end of my eyes, and then I am going in my Lash Sensational mascara and my kajal and my lashes very quickly. And now I'm on to my blushing. I want to have those beautiful flushed out cheeks, so I'm using this PAC 006 blush, and I'm on to my highlighter. So I'm highlighting my usual areas, that is high points of my cheeks, my eyebrows, highest point of my eyebrows, my cupid's bow, my nose, my place between my eyebrows, my forehead, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, and I honestly like to take some time there because this is my favorite step. And now I'm going to use my Chambord lip liner and line my lips, and then I'm going to use my MAC Relentlessly Red lipstick. So guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys had fun watching this video because I honestly enjoyed creating this look for you guys. So guys, if you like this look, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up and hit the subscription button as well, because honestly that'll mean a world to me. Also the notification bell so that you guys don't miss out on any other uploads from my end. And guys, thanks for watching.